it. Since they like blocked it with the wood, which is super stupid. How do I do this? Am I gonna have to take off that whole piece again? Wow, that's annoying. Alright, I guess so. Amazing, got it. Wow. I didn't have to take it all off, which is great. What a dumb design. It was not well constructed, I will say. Well constructed or well made. Let's say both. Okay. Damn it, and another sticker. Why does this always happen as soon as I attach everything? So I may be able to come off from the outside, however. No. So. What do I do now? No one knows. I'll call the other flathead screwdriver and just shove that in there. Or I take it off the right way and don't act like an asshole. I don't like that you can see the sticker. Some bugs thing. I don't want to look at the sticker on here.